we have something so fun today.
So amazing.
So leprechaunish.
Yes. St.
Is that a
Patty's
word?
Day-ish. Leprechaunish, yeah. Sure.
Goldish. You can find it at the end of the rainbow.
Yes, find the pot of gold. We're super excited. We're doing a St. Patty's Day giveaway for all of our lovely followers. So we got some good stuff.
Let's check this stuff out.
Seriously. So let's start off with a Paparazzi Choker. And honestly, this choker, like when I see it, it just reminds me of high school all over again.
I love chokers.
Right? In the 90s, you know, rocking that choker.
I wear chokers all the time now.
It's so fun.
I love chokers.
Yes, they're totally popular. They're back. And it makes me feel like I'm in high school again, which I love.
I love that they made a comeback.
Right?
Yeah.
Fashion always does,
Just
right?
like the Spice Girls are making a comeback.
I hope so. That would be so fun.
Ba-dum-bum.
So seriously, we've got a choker going on. What do you have, Susan?
Going on. Okay, well, you know that we are fans of the color straight nails. So I have one of these nail packs, and these are perfect. They have black and they have like gold on them. So they are perfect for St. Patrick's Day and any other day after.
I love them. They're awesome.
Yeah.
They're super fun. All right, I gotta represent, you know. I got a LipSense bracelet because, you know, we're addicted to LipSense, of course. So we got a cute LipSense bracelet that you can rock.
I love that bracelet.
Right?
I might steal it.
I know.